We can walk in here.
That was pretty bad. Aloha. There we go. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room, brought to you by Dole. While eating and drinking are allowed. If you end up with any trash, make sure you take it to our Enchanted Tiki trash right outside. No smoking or flash photography, and if you need to leave for any reason during the show, those open doors in the corner will be closed. Just give them a push and you'll be on your way. I need your guys' help to wake up our host. So on the count of 3, can we all say, wake up, Jose?
Wake up.
2, 3.
Wake up, Jose.
Oh, buenos dias, señorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my upper perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
Olé, it's showtime.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing bird and the flowers groom. In the tiki room.
Welcome to our tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we weren't in the show starting right away, we'd be the audience too.
All together in the tiki room, in the tiki room,
All the birds sing bird
and the flowers groom. In the tiki room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing solo.
See, so low we can't hear you.
My voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is, it's not far enough out of this world. Isn't that right, Herr Schmidt? Oh, I see, Schmidt has no hair.
Mi amigo, stop the clucking. You sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are called macaws.
because of their claws.
No, because they're macaws. And a fine feathered friend is a jolly toucan. And two can sound better than one toucan can.
The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day.
In the tiki room. In the tiki room.
All the birds sing bird.
And the flowers groom. In the tiki room.
Our magnificent production is yet to come. So strongly guitar and beat the drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore us. So come on and join us in another chorus.
In the tiki room.
I need to solve that. We need to load that.
All the birds sing birds and the flowers groom.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand.
Oui, applaud.
You down there, make both hands.
And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room that is. We present the enchanted fountain.
Ach, ja. And a wunderbar Birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. That's why we call it a POV.
Look, here come the girls.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble. Just like the Folly Bergère with only feathers, there's Colette, hello Colette. Suzette, hello Mimi, Gigi, Fifi, Josephine.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
Let's all wobble like nightingales. Ah, oui, c'est magnifique. Take your time from the birds. Now you all know the words. Sing along with us.
Now we want two people down there to sing along with us birds up here. All together now. Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Sweet, 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 sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's all warble like nightingale. Let's all warble like nightingale. Maybe throw a tree. Take your time from the birds. Everybody whistle.
That was magnifique.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Yeah, the birds stand still and the tiki room flies away.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But, me buckos, every cloud has a silver lining.
Monsieur and Madame, it's time to say adieu, but we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happened here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
The birdies have their fling. You heard the flowers sing. Tiki's play the drums. Hear them do the chant.
Let's give a bunch of standing ovations. Everybody stand 5 feet.
And now, as long as you're all standing,
We have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, taste the dough. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.
Keep